Oh, thank you for watching this video. This is part three of my inventory YouTube videos. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to enter inventory purchase in QuickBooks Online. So you have created inventory item and you want to buy it, and how to enter that in QuickBooks Online. So let's get started. So I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online. All right, so I have created one new item in here. This is a 10-pound dumbbell, and you want to buy this one from your vendor. So I'll show you how I created this one first. Okay, so you got a name in here, 10-pound dumbbell, navy blue, and the scale is the manufacturer's part number or your own part number. And then you got the picture in here for your own uh, for your own record in here. This will be nice. You will see the picture. And then you have a category. In this case, I have created a gym equipment. I'm buy and sell lots of gym equipment. So this basically that's the category. And then quantity on hand is always start at zero. You can check out my earlier videos why you need to do that. And then the reorder point, it's up to you. In this case, I just added 100. So it could be nothing or it could be something based on your historical sales. And then at this point, quantity on purchase order is nothing in there. Okay, and the inventory asset account is the default one. You don't want to change it, just leave the way it is. And then the description is the same as the name in here, or you could change it any way you want it. This is the one it goes to your sales form, like invoice or a sales receipt. So you can change it when you create your invoice. So right now this is the way it is, and the sales price I have is $25. Even this one you can change it when you create invoice. Let's say you want to sell it for $26 or $24, whatever the case may be. You can change it when you create your invoice, and then the sales tax is the default one in here, and then the purchase information is the if you're buying it and creating your purchase order to your vendor. It will also show up on when you when you enter the purchase, and the cost is $15. So it could be any amount. You can change it when you buy it too, just like sales. So I just put $15 in there. So the cost wise, they don't use this $15 if the other costs are different. They go by first in, first out. So let's say you bought one for 15, one for 14, another for 16. So they will figure out the first in, first out. So they won't, the average, they'll figure out the average cost, and don't actually use this $15. If it's $15, the purchase price, then they will use it, of course. And then you select the expense item, cost of goods sold, and then you have a supplier, preferred supplier. So that's how I created this one. So I'm just going to go to enter purchase this item. So I'm just going to go to new. I'm going to do this manually. So for this one, you have to do it manually for inventory purchase. So you have a choice expense if you are paying by credit card, or just bank transfer. Just paying through your bank account. You just do the expense, and the credit check is you're writing a check, manual check or computer check. And the bill is you're buying it from a vendor, and they give you some terms. They will send it to you, and you can pay it. Like a 1 week, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, whatever. And so it basically creates accounts payable, and then you pay the bills whenever you receive it. Okay, I'm just going to use expense in here. Okay, you select your pay. If you have a pay, then select pay. So I'm just going to put dumbbell, create a new one, supplier. Okay, and let's say I'm just going to pay it by Chase credit card. you know, and then a payment date, and the payment method is a credit card, and the reference, if you have it, just use it. All right, I'm just going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, like this one. Okay, and the tag one, if you need to search it, uh, like I'm just going to put gym equipment in here. Okay, so now when you search gym equipment, you'll see it, all the gym equipment you bought. You can also add another one. So you have two tags now. Okay. And now just go to the item detail and select the dumbbell, the 10-pound dumbbell. See right here, 10-pound dumbbell. And now let's just say you want to buy it 100 items. As you can see here, quantity in hand, you have 200, your order point is 100. Okay, so now the cost is whatever price they are charging you. Okay, and then the $1,500. Okay, let's just buy 200. Just make it easy. Okay, and now if they are charging you shipping, then you have to enter shipping cost too. If it's a free shipping, then you don't have to worry about it. You just pay 3,000. They will charge you 3,000 on your credit card. And if you're paying shipping, just go to the shipping, and if that shipping part, you just use it, the category details, shipping cost. Okay, let's say they charge you $100. Okay, so basically $3,100. So this is how you enter your inventory purchase, and I just save it. Okay, so you have saved it, and on your P&L you will see on your balance sheet you will see 200 units. The dumbbell. Okay, so now if you're using the bank feed, how do you match it? So that's going to be on my next video. I'll show you how to match it. Even if it's you have to match it. Otherwise, you already created this one. You don't want to add. You can add inventory from your bank feed, so you have to match it. So I'll show you different scenarios and how to match it. Or just look for my next video. And thank you for watching this video. And be sure to subscribe our videos. We've been doing this for over 10 years now. Okay, thank you. Bye.